Nature's Watchmaker, I provide an answer to the enigma that has challenged scientists and philosophers since the study of time began. A complete description of the physics of the universe from its creation to its ultimate destruction. My groundbreaking theory confronts the major issues faced by scientists, including gravity, the perplexing dark matter, and even more baffling dark energy. It explains why particles exist, why they have their specific properties, and predicts exactly the values of certain constants previously only obtainable by experiment. I explain why, despite the universe apparently expanding at an ever-increasing rate, it will eventually enter a contraction epoch. No other theory so elegantly combines the effects found in both the microscopic atoms, that is, and macroscopic stars, black holes, galaxies, etc., universes in one simply derived equation. Ultimately, I answer science's most important question: why does anything exist in the first place? So you start from the basic axiom, which is that time exists, and then you say, right, if time exists, then, and if that, then something else, and so you build up. The universe is an extremely complicated place when you look around all the stuff that you can see in there. So it occurred to me that it couldn't be complicated it couldn't have a complicated basis. In fact, it must have a very simple basis, and the most simple basis that it could have was if it consisted of just one element. What scientists call a theory of everything. In other words, it explains everything you need to know about the universe. The first thing is that my theory is a completely new approach to physics. It changes the entire approach to physics, and not only that, it's a completely new physics in itself. Because I only have one rule and one equation that answers absolutely everything, so I don't have lots of different theories for everything. This is an absolutely massive breakthrough. No other theory has come anywhere near close to doing that. But basically, it's supposed to explain everything you need to know about the universe, with every T crossed and every I dotted.